Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect MyWhoosh to your Garmin. Alright, so first thing I need to disappoint you a little bit because MyWhoosh does not directly integrate with Garmin Connect. So because of this, we need to do a little bit workaround to get the data to our Garmin Connect if you're using that. So what you are going to do is head over here to MyWhoosh website, and after that you will go to your profile and then to your dashboard. You will see something like that. Alright, now under here you have overview and activities in-game shop. So under the activities, so this one here, we will find basically our rides activities basically. So now if you don't do that for basically all of the time, so that you don't download the activity and then upload to Garmin Connect, you will need to do that for every workout that you want to have on your Garmin. Now, simply as that, what you need to do is just press download button, wait a few seconds. Now, as you can see, it downloaded basically feed file. What you're going to do now, head over to the Garmin. Now, what you're going to do is you will basically just upload your activity. So how you will do that is just head over here at the top right corner where you see this cloud with the arrow into it. So upload or import activity, click on that and import data, just like that. Now search for this data right over here, open, and then you will click on import data. So if you have more of data, you can copy all of them right in here. And after you have all of them, just click import data. And as you can see, import complete. And now we can see this virtual activity right over here. And now we have it in our Garmin Connect. And our Garmin will now basically calculate our status also from this activity. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.